New Sally, new city, new women now. New weather, new leather, I'ma get it now. Test my patience for do 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 do. Come and get to know me, baby. Do 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 do. I've been by my lonely baby. Do 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 do. Put it all on me now. Do 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 do. You be all I need.
Alright guys, I don't even know if you can hear me, but we're in Joe and the Juice. There's a lot of music going on. Maddie and I got a smoothie, not a smoothie, a juice. And this is the Iron Man. I like their pink drinks, so like Iron Man, she got the pick me up. They're just really good. So, and I'm always in here after like being outside for too long, so that's what we're doing, just chilling. And you can't see my face, but I'll see you guys in a bit.
Go, bitch, you fought with a petty king. I don't do forgiving for a lot of things. Fuck me over, I'm gon' do that shit right back to you. My new bitch named Karma, and we coming back for you. And I got vengeance on my brain, yeah. I've been plotting on it ever since that day. I'm gon' make you feel this pain. Fuck that hoe, she not my bae. Stack my money, new bitch on me. If you want smoke like bitch, okay. Pull up in a big body, I'ma hop out with a 10 on me. I got brand new Getty rings on me. 45 might put some wings on them. I wouldn't fall, wouldn't bend for you. Should've went ghost, but I sent for you. I got a message like 10-4. Now you want toast, but we been folks. I hit a new low and stumbled on gold. I want it right now for taking it slow.
Hello everybody, it has been so long since I uploaded a video. I was trying to vlog my weekend, but then didn't really do much this weekend, so I just thought I'd vlog the rest of it on Sunday, which is today, and just share with you guys a quick little life update. So as you can tell by the title, I have moved to New York City and I've been here for over a month now for the summer, and yeah, I'm just here basically because I didn't want to be at home. I finished off my internship here, which was remote, based out of San Francisco, and now I'm in summer classes, but I just thought it'd be fun to be in New York City, which is where my boyfriend is from, and a few of my friends are here and they're in New York and people are coming to visit, so I just like to be here, to be around more people. I don't really have too many hometown friends and things like that, so I just thought being here would be a good idea, and it has been quite fun, quite busy, so I haven't gotten the chance to really vlog much, and I definitely could have vlogged my first few weeks here because I'm leaving kind of soon, but like I didn't know where to begin or where to start or what would be interesting for you guys, so here I am, just making a plain old video about me moving to New York City. I was gonna post a long time ago, but I honestly suck at editing right now because I just listen to myself talk and then I hate it, so that has been my process. But I think what I need to do is just stop overthinking the coming back part to my YouTube videos because I haven't posted in a few months, and just do it. So here I am. I've moved to New York for fun. I'm going back to Boston so that you guys are not confused. I'm still in school, I'm still at college. I'm just going back in early September, like September 1st basically. I'll be in Boston, so the college move-in vlogs will be coming soon. I got a lease on an apartment off campus, so that should be fun. Lots to look forward to for that part of my life, but right now I'm just here being in New York. Nothing crazy. That's about it. That's the update. I'm just gonna vlog the rest of my day. I just did my makeup. It took me a little longer today. My brows look horrible, but it's okay. It's a Sunday, so happy Sunday.
I know too much, but now it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush. I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue. My cup's been looking fuller. You're picking pop my walls. And baby, let's settle up, cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to talk. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much.
Let's get into it. So, hello everybody. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me questions about this video that I'm making after almost 5 months of being away from YouTube. So I just want to answer you guys' questions, talk to the camera a little bit, and reintroduce myself into video making. So the first question is, sis, where have you been? You moved to New York City and never made a video about it. Very true. Since the last time you guys saw me, I was doing a 9-to-5 internship or co-op through my school, and I finished it since I was a HR/people team intern at a tech company based out of San Francisco, but I worked in Boston, New York, like East Coast time in the US. So that's what I was doing for the past like 6 months since January. I ended early July, so I meant to document more of it, but honestly, the whole 9-to-5, it was the bulk of my day, and I didn't realize how much time that was, so I really didn't know how to balance it. I thought I could vlog like every week and share with you guys my life as an intern, but I couldn't. So hopefully taking that experience, I can learn a lot and document more of that for you guys in the coming cycle. So I will be doing another internship next January for 6 months, so I'll be documenting that. Fingers crossed I can do it, and hopefully it's like a little bit more in person so that I can share that kind of intern life with you guys as I enter my last few years of college and my early 20s. So that's kind of scary to talk about because I've been on YouTube since I was a teenager or early teen years, and I'm doing big girl things now. Like, I'm trying to document my early 20s, but it's quite hard balancing everything. So that is where I've been. I was doing that internship and I was in Boston. Things happened. I was in a weird mental state, to be honest. I wasn't really happy with the way I looked. I wasn't really happy with the environment I was in, and I was just super like dependent on my close relationships with like my boyfriend, my roommate, and just like I was like relying on certain people around me to make me like feel better. So yeah, earlier this year was a little bit hard, and I didn't want to like film any of that. I literally couldn't get myself to edit through a video. I have so much footage that I don't know if I can compile and put right here now, but I have so much vlog footage that I took earlier this year. Even when I left Boston and went back home, I vlogged and I made videos, but I didn't upload them because I was just so, and still a little bit unhappy with like the way I look on camera and the way I like felt like I was projecting my energy on camera. So yeah, that's where I've been. I was just super unhappy with the things I was making, and not like super unhappy with life, but it was just a bit uncomfortable because I guess COVID kind of turned things around, and I'm still in a weird headspace where even now, like, I'm really not scared, but everything is kind of coming on too fast with like the US opening a little bit. I just don't know how to react because I was at home for so long last summer, and I'm so used to doing everything from the place that I live that like going out now tires me out so much. And social interaction is not scary, but it is definitely more intimidating and challenging than it was before. So balancing everything has been super duper hard on me, and I guess I didn't want to talk about it because it felt like everyone else was so excited to go back to normal, and like social media made it look like everyone was like, you know, doing the same things again, and I just like couldn't get myself to do that. And like even now, like moving to New York, I did this so that I can be with more people that I know. Back home, I don't have too many hometown friends actually. I'm from Maryland, and I just have my family there, which I love my family, but I definitely love my independent life. Living in Boston and London for college was great for me, so I just wanted to be away. Anyway, I think I'm just making this answer a little too extended, but yeah, currently in New York. Probably will go home pretty soon though, since it's like almost end of summer. It's like July, and then I have August, and then I go back to Boston like early September to move in. So yeah. Next question is a fun one. How do I feel about Nevertheless? And if you guys don't know what Nevertheless is, it is a K-drama currently showing on Netflix, so they have weekly episodes, and I feel like a lot of people are watching it right now because it is so good. Honestly, maybe I haven't been in the K-drama game in a long time, since you guys know that I started basically this whole YouTube channel on the basis of like K-pop, K-drama, like these type of chit-chats. I don't know if I've just been out of the loop for so long, but it is so like much more toxic than any other drama I've ever watched, and it is much more realistic in my opinion for like young adults college age. There's like hookups, they talk about like sex life, and it's like kind of freaking crazy because like when I was growing up watching K-dramas, like they wouldn't kiss for like 10 episodes and it would be like a peck. So Nevertheless, it's definitely steamy, hot every episode. I love it. So I definitely feel great about it. I look forward to it every single week. The episodes are decently long. I really like the storyline. The main characters are great. They just introduced a second male lead and it's awesome. So I'm really excited about it. This is one of the first dramas that I've been excited about and like down to watch every week in a really long time. So definitely recommend. It's on Netflix. go watch it now. I think there's 3 or 4 episodes out. So a lot of you guys also asked about some like back to school college fashion, outfit ideas, styling, things like that, and that is definitely to come. I've definitely fine-tuned my style since I posted like a fashion video last year. So yes, I will definitely make a fashion video coming soon for college. And I think the last question that I'm gonna answer is, do you still care about YouTube as much as you used to? And oh my god, yes. YouTube is the platform I use. Like, I know a lot of the new creators I've met recently mainly do TikTok and have introduced themselves to like YouTube and Instagram and things like that. But I grew up on YouTube. It means almost basically everything to me because you guys and this YouTube channel is the basis of like my upbringing and my young life and me becoming an adult. So YouTube definitely means everything to me, just in a slightly different way. I think when I was younger, YouTube was my thing, my hobby, and I just had fun with it. If you guys followed me back in the day, I used to upload like 3 times a week, fully edited makeup tutorial, outfit videos, really well edited. And I look back, I'm like, I don't know how I used to do that and formulate all these really cool transitions and graphics all on my own. Like, I could definitely do it again, but it'd take me like 10 times longer. It was an amazing hobby. No one else around me really made videos and things like that, so it felt really special. And I think ever since maybe like 2018, I've gotten like less and less, like, I don't know what the word is, but if like more people around me I knew, like I became more friends with like other influencers and YouTubers and creators, that I started to see YouTube more as a job. And obviously it is for a lot of people, and for me it's my only, like, my largest stream of income. And I think that's what made my relationship with YouTube turn a little bit darker than it used to, because it obviously means everything to me and it is my current livelihood. But I think with all of like the noise around me, it made me see YouTube as a more chore like type of thing, which was horrible. So I definitely let myself chill out a little bit and only post when I felt like it, to make myself kind of revert back to that mental state where this is like fun for me and this is my hobby and it also happens to make me money. So I never ever want this platform or me creating videos to become something that I dread, and I wouldn't want to post a bad video or a video that I knew I felt horrible in. So yeah, I like stopped myself plenty of times these past few months, and that is probably the reason why, just because I didn't want to post just to post. I definitely wanted to let myself go and like the things that I'm doing. I'm excited to be back. So sorry that I've been away for so many months. This is probably the longest break I've ever taken in the past. How many years have I been on YouTube? 6 years. This is the longest break I've ever taken. I've taken maybe a month or 2, but never more than that. But I think that is all. I hope that answers the question. YouTube still means everything to me. I just definitely wanted to revert back to that more exciting feeling. But anyway, I hope that answers all the questions, the most frequently asked questions these days. Thank you so much for watching. More videos are to come, and I love you all so much. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties. Good night, good morning, good afternoon. I don't know. It's night for me, so.
I've been inside trying to get these dollars, trying to make more money than life makes problems. New city, new women, new weather, I'ma get it now.